Yes, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is Okello Opio. Today, 22nd October 2025 is a day very many young men and women, gallant sons and daughters of this country have taken a bold step to go in for their nominations for members of parliament. And I would like to express my utmost wishes to my friend, a colleague, a mentor, the Honorable Odonga, Otto, Samuel, from whom I've learned many, with whom we have done great exploits, and the only Luo son I know that really understands and has passion for his people. Honorable, I know you're going to see this video and you're going to like it and you're going to listen in. It's been 5 years, and in the 5 years you have not only proved that leadership is not about political office, but it's about passion and calling. In the 5 years I've seen you rise to task when your people needed you. I've seen you improve, I've seen you grow, I've seen you mature, I've seen you earn accolades, doctorate, and I've seen your titles change to a very respectable example in society. I've seen you stand out to power, to authority, and I've seen you express the very basic needs of your people. I've seen you fight gallantly and courageously against a charcoal burning. I've seen you express very strong opinions against those that spoke ill of our culture, those that undermined the very basic facets and pillars that our forefathers, the great politicians, stood for. I've seen you gallantly speak to the president and point out exactly what the Acholi cause is. I've seen you refuse to side with those that never meant us good. I've seen you point out to the country and speak to the nation on various social platforms, expressing and explaining the different agenda the country requires, expressing gallantly and trying to explain the different policies, ideas and laws that we are finding ourselves in. I've seen you try to politically express and explain from your political stance point of view the different enigmas that are affecting the nation. I've seen you rise to task to speak about very contentious political matters, and all these you have said with passion, you have expressed with confidence, with knowledge, and with every small facet of your being. I know that many might not understand from where you come or from where you draw this inspiration and passion from, but people who have been close to you understand that for you it is not about greed, so not about power, it is not about authority, but it's about having equitable solutions for our society, having justice, having the common person receive that which the country or the government has to offer for them. And all these items, I know that you can achieve them much more quicker or easily when once again the people of Baruli County send you back to Parliament, of which I also want to take this opportunity to tell every man and woman out there, every young adult out there, that the 5 years Kade has been in a limbo. The 5 years Acholi has degraded so much in terms of political leadership, in terms of political representation. And recently, the recent video was the president, His Excellency, calling out to the Honorable Otto, asking him to join the ruling party. But what I know about the Honorable is that he's a man of principle, and he stands by principle. He does not stand by wave. He does not stand by association. He stands for what he believes in, and he is one man who stands and says he has a clean conscience. He has not stolen anybody. He has only stood for that which is right, that which is true, and that which is for the common man. Honorable, as you take this time to go for nominations, I know you will be nominated duly. I pray that may you have the courage. May the gods of our ancestors, the Lord Almighty, stand with you. May the people of Baruli receive you, and may you get everything you desire to have. These nominations propel you to greater heights, and may this season of campaigns be good to you. May you achieve that which you needed to achieve. May it come your way that you will go through as a member of Parliament for Baruli County. And from me to you, I wish you a great time and have a nice time, Honorable Dr. Odonga Otto. Bye.